Hey everyone, welcome back to a very zoomed in view of my workbench. So this strange view you're seeing is I'm working on the Tiger Learning Computers breakout board. And what I did is actually went through and I cut little channels here as reliefs so I can go ahead and have a channel for this wire connection here. To give you a sense of scale, the distance between this point and this point is 100 thousandths of an inch. This is 10 inches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 inches, 1 inch from here to here. So it gives you an idea of scale. I mean, this is what it looks like. That's the point I was just pointing with. Alright, so it looks like I've got the first one tacked down here, and I usually wouldn't do this rather strange view, but I figured this would be good for young people or old people who want to start soldering, what soldering looks like. I just lost something here. Where's my strippers? They're there. Usually, the most efficient way is actually do all your stripping ahead of time. I'm doing a very, very short strip. I mean, it's you can see that's my fingernails there. You can see just how tiny of a strip that really is. So I'm just going to come in. I was using the magnifier, but I have more luck with my grandpa glasses. Okay. Where are they? Those are my cheaters. Actually, I have more luck with my cheaters on than that. Let's see. I'm not using the screen to do this, so there's too much lag. I need to see it in real time. Go. So yeah, that should be pretty. I want the wire to actually lay in that channel a little bit. There we go. And if this is too high, I can actually take a file to the top of it and scrape that off. So I'm not going to sit here and solder all 36 wires in front of you, but I wanted to show you of my process of doing this. Strip it back just a tiny bit more. It actually strips back itself a little bit when you heat up the I'm not tinning these first. I put excessive solder on the pad itself. I'm using that as the tinning for this. So I'm not adding any extra solder at this point. And it wicks up into the wire itself. Yeah, it's pretty decent. Okay. Not entirely happy with that one. Yeah, it's off to the side a little bit. A pair of tweezers. There we go. That's more like it. I can press that down to the channel a little bit. Just like that. It's a little out of focus. Hold on. That or my eyes are out of focus. Okay. So yeah. This guy too can go down that channel a little bit more. Something like that. So this should give me enough depth here to make pretty good contact. The original is pretty deep. I don't think I need to go quite that deep, but I want to get pretty close. So, not bad. So, I'll keep working. Yeah, I didn't have enough solder on that one. I was worried about that. Yeah. Other thing I might do is, as I go along, Kapton tape those down as I come along. And maybe we'll add a little solder to this one. And like I've said before, I prefer using leaded solder. That's why it's very, very shiny looking. If you're used to using Rojas solder, lead-free, this is going to look a lot shinier than what you're used to. This is the leaded stuff. You can still buy easily. I always found ironic was the whole push to get lead out of electronics introduced so many other problems, and then like freaking 3 car batteries use more lead than like a year of production at an electronics plant. So alright, I'm gonna keep working on this. No need to do this in front of an audience because it's a little distracting actually having to talk and try to solder. And next video, I'll have all this soldered, and I gotta flip it over and do the whole other side, and then I need to connect over to these solder pins down here, which are these guys here. So that's what the next step will be. And after that, I'm gonna plug it into the Tiger Learning computer. Hopefully get to that this weekend and do some more system monitoring, some more signal monitoring. So I was confused. My other board I had set up didn't really work the way I liked, so this is a brand new one. And this might allow either an interface to a programmer, or I still have a Raspberry Pi I was trying to play with too, but I don't know if that's ever going to work out, but at least I'll be able to interface it with the programmer while it's loaded, plugged into the system. So we'll see. Everyone, thank you for watching.